Hello guys and welcome back to another video. In this video you'll learn how to add a custom menu to your WordPress website. So first thing, we're gonna go to pages and add our needed pages. For example, in my case I already added a few pages. We're gonna add another page just in case. So I'm just gonna call this one example page 2 or page 1. I'm just gonna hit publish. I'm gonna leave it empty as it is. So we're gonna use it in our menu. I'm gonna go back to the pages again. And then as you see, like after you created your pages, make sure that you select the right one for your home page, for your front page. So to do so, go to setting and then reading, and then make sure that you select the static page. And then home page, select the home, like the home page that you want in the list of the pages that you created. So we can, for example, custom page or the example page that I just created. I can do save changes. And when I visit my page, you're gonna find this page is already empty. So like you can customize it later to make it your front page, but in our case, we're just gonna focus on the menu. So the next thing that you wanna do is we're gonna go to appearance and we're gonna create a new menu. So like as a fresh in a fresh WordPress installation, you won't find a primary menu as in mine. So you're just gonna create a new menu. So click on create a new menu, like give it a name, for example, menu to and just like in display location, just make sure that you select the primary menu. So this will change or replace any primary menu in your website. Select primary menu, create menu. And then the next thing, you're gonna select the needed pages in your menu. So you're gonna find this section, pages. So you can click view all to view all the pages. So I'm gonna select example page, about, contact, home, project services. You can select the pages that you already created, the needed pages to your menu. And then after you do that, just click on add to menu. And then we have our pages here. We can reorder them by just dragging, like for example, I'm dragging about at the end, I'm dragging home at the first section. I'm gonna put projects under services as a sub item. Like you can do that by dragging it and then just like place it at the right and leave it. As you see, it has some padding here and it's called a sub item. Also, you can change, for example, the label, navigation label. For example, I don't want my page to be labeled example page. So I'm just gonna call it home 2, for example. And okay. And after you did all of that, you just need to save the menu. Okay, our menu has been updated. So I'm gonna go back to my page and gonna refresh. And as you see, my menu has been changed successfully. Like I already have home, home 2, contact, blah, blah, blah. So in my case, I'm using the Astra theme. You may use another theme. It's similar to this one. If you're using Elementor or Divi, it's a little bit different. If you want guys to have a tutorial on these kind of themes, drop a comment below and let me know. So that's it. We came to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any questions. And see you guys in the next video.